Hi, here our question is, a helicopter flies from its base B to deliver supplies to two oil rigs at C and D. C is 6 km due east of B and the distance from C to D is given to be 8 kilometers. D is on a bearing of 120 degrees from B. We need to find out the bearing of D from C. The bearing of D from C, by this we mean this angle. We need to find out this angle. Let us name the 2 points, this to be M and N. Here we know that angle NBC is equal to 90 degrees. This is perpendicular. As the entire angle is given to be 120 degrees, the angle CBD, this is going to be 30 degrees. Now, let us rename the sides of the triangle BCD. The side opposite to angle C, let it be small c. The side opposite to angle D, let it be small d. And the side opposite to angle B, let it be small b. Now, on applying sine law, here we get D by sine D is equal to C by sine C is equal to B by sine B. Here, in this triangle, we have the value of B to be 8 kilometers, the value of D to be 6, and the angle B to be 30 degrees. On substituting these values, we get 8 by sine 30 degrees is equal to 6 by sine D. We ignore the ratio C by sine C. From here, we can say sine D is equal to 6 times sine 30 degrees divided by 8. We know that the value of sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. On substituting sine 30 as 1 by 2, we get 6 times 2 into 8, that is 16. That is, sine D is equal to 3 by 8. Using the help of the calculator, we can find out the value of the angle D, that is equal to sine inverse 3 by 8. With the help of the calculator, we get the angle D is equal to 22 degrees. So, the angle D becomes 22 degrees. Now, we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. With the help of this, we can find out the value of the angle Z. We substitute the values of angle B and angle D. Therefore, we get 30 degrees plus 22 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. On further calculations, we get angle C to be equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 22 degrees. This gives us the value 128 degrees. Therefore, the angle BCD, this is equal to 128 degrees. Now, let us suppose the bearing from C to D be x. Let this be x. Now, we know that the sum of the entire angle of revolution is 360 degrees. Therefore, 90 degrees plus 120 degrees, 128 degrees plus x degrees, let this be equal to 360 degrees. Let us change this to 128. Now, from here we find out x degrees is equal to 360 degrees minus 128 degrees minus 90 degrees, which gives us the value 142 degrees. Therefore, the answer to this question is 142 degrees. Now, let us have a look about the marking scheme of this question. This question entirely carries 5 marks. Now, if we mention this sine law, we are going to get 1 mark for sure. And on finding till the angle D, we get 2 marks. Now, if we solve the entire solution, we are going to get 5 marks for this question. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.